welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some smoked cheese. Alright, so in order to make smoked cheese, you got to cold smoke it. So I got my pellet tool and we're going to get this thing lit. So after we got this thing lit, we're going to let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then once those pellets are ready, we're going to blow it out. So I'm going to put this in the bottom of the grill, right, for two reasons. Because you don't want that cheese to get too hot, and then you just want that smoke to, smoke and roll over that cheese, right? So now I'm smoking some Swiss, I'm smoking some Kobe Jack, and then I'm smoking some Monterey Jack. Now after 4 hours of cold smoking, you can see this cheese is ready to go, right? You don't want to take it too long because you don't want that cheese to start melting. Now you can see that cheese sweating. That's what it's going to do, right? So we're just going to take a paper towel and then wipe this cheese off, right? Because we got to get this in the fridge and let this mellow out. So I don't have a vacuum sealer, so I'm just using some saran wrap, and we're going to wrap these cheeses up and we're going to put them into the fridge and let these things mellow out. So we're going to let the smoked cheese, kind of mellow out. It's going to take about a week. Some people do up to 2 to 4 weeks. If you have a vacuum sealer, you can definitely do that, but we're going to let the cheese mellow out. So after a week of mellowing, we're going to take these bad boys out. Now you can see that right there. And I can tell you, man, I've been smelling them in the fridge, man, and they smell absolutely delicious. But we're going to get these things unwrapped. It's almost like Christmas, any time of the year. You just got to make sure that whenever you smoke the cheese, it's, cool weather, so you don't, your temperature in your grill doesn't get too hot. So we're gonna go ahead and get this sliced up, right? Finesse that Swiss cheese, and then I'm gonna let you see, the inside of it, so you can see that contrast of that smoked side and then that inside. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. Now we got that Kobe Jack, and then we're gonna hit it with that Monterey Jack, right? That's my favorite right there, that Monterey Jack. All right, so there you have it. You got your smoked cheese, and you already know what we got to do. We got to get that bad boy taste test. Now what we got, we got to hit it with that cracker. You got that smoked cheese and that summer sausage. You already know what that is, right? That's a grown-up Lunchable right there. Now that's absolutely fantastic. It almost makes me feel like a kid again. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that subtle smoke flavor on that cheese, man. Once you let it mellow out, you in the game. So if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this content, like this video up. Now for the people that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do and what I'm about to do. I'm about to smash into the smoked cheese, and we'll see you guys later.